Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For some reason my intro and my outro didn't record right. This is the look I'm going to be doing today. And if you want to know how I did it, then just keep on watching. So I had already did my eyebrows off camera, and to prime my eyelids I am starting to use this e.l.f. putty primer, and this is like, it's really good. Like, it helps my makeup stay on long, and even for my eyelids, like, it helps the eyeshadow stay on longer. So this is a really good primer, and I just bought this the other day, and I could tell it's really good. Because I had already put that on my eyelids, I'm gonna be going in with the Milani concealer and putting this on my eyelids for the base. And I'm just gonna blend this in. Now that I put the concealer all over my eyelids, I have a base for all the eyeshadow, and the colors I'm going to be using are in this 351 Icy Fantasy palette. It's from Morphe. And all these colors that are in this palette, they're all pastels. Like, all of them are pastels. And there's a lot of shimmers. So the colors aren't going to show up well if I only use like an eyeshadow primer. So this is why I use the concealer. The first color I'm going to be using is this like mint color. And I want to put this on as my transition shade. So I'm going to put this all over my eyelid. And you might want to pack it on a lot because they're so light. You might have to use a few layers at first and then blend it out. The shade is really pretty. This is like, I wouldn't say it's like the color Daisy in the Daisy Marquez palette, but it's like, it's really pretty. Slowly blending this up, because you can't just start from the top and then start blending it out. You gotta slowly bring it up. Now the color is like brought up a little more. To easily blend your eyeshadow, it's better if you hold the brush at the end. That way you're like not putting pressure as if you were to put on the eyeshadow like this. So if you grab it at the end and you lightly keep going back and forth, it will blend out. This looks super good. Like, look at this color. So pretty. This is like probably my favorite color out of this whole palette. And the blue color. The next color I'm going to be using is this pink color, and this is a really light shade. Like, if I were to put this as the first color to start this look, it probably wouldn't show up. It's like kind of a white, like a white pink. So because I want this color to show up, I'm going to be adding some more concealer onto my eyelid, all over my lid like this, then using a flat brush, then packing on the color. And this color was really difficult to actually put on, so I actually sprayed it with some setting spray. And now that the color is showing up more, and you could actually tell that it's pink, and I'm gonna go in with the green and blend this out with the pink. And I think this looks kind of basic, so something I'm going to add is Milani Hypnotic Lights. It's like a liquid eyeshadow, and it has a brush like this, but instead I'm going to be using this angled eyeliner brush, and I'm adding the color like this. These eyeshadows are super good. Like this color is super pretty. It's like a holographic. I wouldn't say holographic, but like, it's super pretty. Like, you'll see. The colors are like pastels, so this is gonna brighten the look up more. And I'm just gonna put it on top of the pink color. So now that I let it dry on my eyelids, and so that it doesn't get messed up in the crease. I'm going to be using an eyeliner, and I was debating whether I should use a black or a white eyeliner, and I kind of want to do the white, but the black might make the look come together more, so I think I'm gonna use the white. I believe this is a matte one, a matte eyeliner. It's from NYX. I thought if I use the white one, it'll look better since this is like a bright look. Sometimes the white is actually hard to use just because you get it on your eyelashes. I think I messed up my fucking brush trying to shove it in here. Honestly, I have a lot of colored eyeliners, but I don't really use them a lot. So by the time I want to use it, it's already dried up, which sucks. This white one I've used a few times, but it's still drying up. The eyeliner colors that I have are purple. I think I have a blue one still. Yellow. This white. There was a green one, and it looked bright green on the package. But when I opened it, it was just like a regular green. Red. I have a lot of eyeliner colors. So if you want to see me do more looks like with eyeliner or like more of these, like these are really fun to use. Just let me know and comment or something. It usually doesn't take me this long to do the wing, but since my brush messed up, I want to be careful. And since this color is matte, it does crack, so you just gotta be careful and try to avoid putting so much layers on. So the eyelashes I used, I tried on some like extra eyelashes, but it kind of covered up the eye look, and these ones were a little more like, they showed the makeup a little more. These are the Extension Seekers by Salon Perfect, and I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. Putty Primer again. Using the CoverGirl True Blend foundation, I'm gonna blend this out. So when I was doing my wing, I remembered about how one time I did my makeup and I was Snapchatting this guy, and he screenshotted my picture and then he wrote in the chat on Snapchat and he circled my eyeliner, and he was like, not to be mean or anything, but this one is more harder than this one. And I was like, boy, like if only you knew how much fucking time and effort and skill it takes to do eyeliner. Like, what the fuck? I'm gonna be using this L'Oreal Infallible concealer. As always, I'm gonna use my Airspun powder. This is like the only powder that I ever use. And I don't know how to say the name of this bronzer, but this is what I'm gonna be using to bronze up my face. This is a really good bronzer as well. I'm gonna be using this Airspun loose highlight, and I think this is like a silver kind of highlight, but it has a pink tint to it, so I'm going to be using this. And I'm going to be using this calming setting spray. I wasn't sure which lip color I wanted to use because this is always the hardest part because I can never find colors that match, but I'm going to use this NYX lip liner, and I'm going to try to line my lips. And on top of the lip liner, I'm going to be using this Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. So to complete this look, the only thing I'm missing is a color on the bottom of my eyes. So I'm going to be using this little, it's like a smudger. And I think I'm just going to go back in with the green shade. This is the end of this look. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to leave a like and be subscribed to my channel to see when I upload next, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.